What's up, you guys? Welcome to Culinary with J Mac, and it's your girl Toya T on the mic. One check, 1 2 1 2. I'll be doing a voiceover for Cooking with J Mac. Screenshot this. These are the ingredients. You need this stuff. If you don't have this stuff, pause this video, go to the grocery store, and get this stuff right here. Screenshot it. We're starting out with a tomato, cutting the core out. Don't forget to leave an X on the bottom of the butt of the tomato. Ooh, putting it in boiling water like so. And then you watch it boil for the satisfaction. Just boil it up. While that's boiling, you're going to take your firm tofu, cut a piece like so. And then with your little finger, just go, Yep, it's just crumble it up. Crumble it up. Like this whole 2020, just crumble it up. Crumble the whole thing. Oh, when that happened. So you put it in ice water and then you drop it in there and then it just, the skin start falling off. That is amazing. Satisfying to watch. Put it up like so. Yeah, like so, all nice and slow like that too, because that's nice. It looked like it got pushed down. What is putting down? Let me see. Boop! Feeling it like that. Oh no, that's a blender, a processor. It's one of them. Make sure y'all use that. Like so. Yeah. Y'all hear that? That's loud. Y'all thought I left? I'm here. Y'all see them french fries? I'm gonna eat one right now, crispy. But you want to put them in the air fryer. Like that. Just like that. However many you want, because that's your problem. And frying you want, because that's your problem. However you like it, you do it. You go, boop, close it up in the air fryer. There go a frying pan, y'all. We're finna get to it. They're gonna chili making. Ooh. That's avocado oil, but use whatever oil that you prefer. Throw some green peppers in there, diced up like that. Right there. Stir it up in there like that. Bam, there go the garlic. Alright, done with the garlic. Now we're going to stir it up. Bam! We're going to add the tofu like so. Right there. Get it all out the cheesecloth. Break it up with the spatula. And then yet again, you're going to be in the kitchen with the stir fry. Mix it all together like so. You keep stirring it. Alright, dang. You're going to tomato sauce that was pureed up like so. Mix it together. Make my stomach round. Garlic in the building. We here, sprinkle it like it rain. With a sprinkle. It's got onion. That's onion powder. Just sprinkle it in there like so. Like a little sprinkle. cumin. I couldn't see that for a second, y'all. Just dab it in there like so. Chili powder. And this the sauce right here. This the seasoning. You need this. Sprinkle some in there with love. But a little dab of do you? Mm-hmm. Accent. That's to make the flavors go pop in your mouth like that. Pop like that. That's some good old oregano. Give it a little toss. Toss it in the pan like so. It look good as is. Sure do. Alright, this is how it looks after you add all of your ingredients, your vegetables and all that good stuff. Gonna add some smoked paprika. That right there is popping. That's some good paprika. A little splash of water. Just be in the kitchen with the stir fry. Make sure you make it with lots of love because you need that in all your food. You need that in all your food. Ooh, a little bit more tomato puree. That's gonna be good. A little splash of water. Make it a little wet. We're gonna make a sauce. That look like some almond milk. Make sure you splash that in there like that. Garlic. Throw some garlic in there. Garlic make everything taste real, real good. Real good. Accent. Just a little dab of do you. And you want to simmer that. Don't over simmer it. A little onion powder. I love onion powder. I prefer onion powder over onions. A little Himalaya salt. A little splash of paprika. Like that. That's how you do it. Ooh, whisk it real nice. Use the flick of the wrist. That's what you need. The flick of the wrist. When you use a whisk, it's the flick of the wrist. Little cornstarch. Whisk it in there like that. Make it thick, cause you like them thick. It got to be thick. Oh wow, that legit looks like turkey meat. Come get you some vegan chili cheese fries up in this video and get this good old recipe. It's nice. That cheese sauce on top. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all have a blessed, fulfilled day. Y'all let me know down there in those comments if y'all want me to do another voiceover. This was kind of funny. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.